Good day, everyone. Learn how to block spam calls in any Android phone or a Samsung Galaxy or any other Samsung phone. So here we need to go to the settings first. We will go to this dial icon which you have, the phone icon. And at the top right corner, click on this three dots and then go to settings. And here you will find caller ID and spam protection and block numbers. I'll tell you later about block numbers. Firstly, we will go with caller ID and spam protection. So before enabling from here, we will click here and you will find two options. Turn on this caller ID and spam protection. The moment you turn on, it will use here to identify spam and scam callers as well. So here you have got option block all spam and scam calls or only block high risk scam calls. So it is up to you whether you want to block all or only block high risk. So once you're turned on, and then just come back, and here we have the block numbers. So whenever the call is blocked, you will always find it here in the block numbers in the recent, and you can always remove it. And this is how you can block unknown callers, spam callers from Android phone, and it can be done on almost any Android phone. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.